Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. Before we dive into today's video, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and turn on notifications. Now let's get started. In a decisive move, King Felipe VI has announced that the Royal Household Security Service and the Royal Guard will be dispatched to assist in recovery efforts in regions impacted by the recent Dana, a severe weather phenomenon causing significant flooding and damage across Spain. This urgent announcement was made through an official statement from the royal household, emphasizing the kingdom's commitment to supporting those in distress. The king and queen are deeply devastated by the tragic consequences of the Dana, which has affected numerous areas, particularly in the Valencia region. As of this morning, search and rescue operations have resumed in the affected areas, where the disaster has claimed at least 92 lives. Furthermore, additional fatalities have been reported in Castilla-La Mancha and Andalusia, highlighting the widespread impact of the disaster. The search operations are being conducted by approximately 1,000 personnel from the Military Emergency Unit, UME, alongside thousands of agents from the Guardia Civil, firefighters, and local police forces. This massive collaborative effort reflects the urgency and importance of the rescue operations as they strive to locate the missing and provide necessary aid to those in need. Recognizing the gravity of the situation, the royal household has pledged to contribute all available resources to these rescue efforts. His Majesty the King has provided clear instructions to the Royal Household Security Service and the Royal Guard to mobilize all necessary personnel to support the Ministry of the Interior and the Ministry of Defense. They will assist in the ongoing operations being carried out by the state security forces and the Military Emergency Unit in the areas affected by the Dana, the statement issued to the media reads. This commitment underscores the monarchy's dedication to national solidarity and humanitarian assistance during crises. In addition to their operational support, the royal household has confirmed that the Spanish flag at the Palacio de la Zarzuela will be flown at half-mast as a mark of respect for the victims. In compliance with the national mourning declared for 3 days, starting from midnight today, a black ribbon has been added to the top of the website www.casarealed.es to signify our grief, and the national flag that presides over the offices of His Majesty the King at the Palacio de la Zarzuela will also be displayed at half-mast, they reported. This gesture symbolizes the monarchy's connection with the people and its recognition of the profound loss felt across the nation. The ongoing situation is a stark reminder of the resilience of communities in the face of natural disasters. The efforts of the royal household, alongside various governmental and local agencies, highlight the importance of unity and cooperation in overcoming such challenges. The Spanish monarchy continues to play a vital role in fostering national cohesion and providing support during times of crisis, reinforcing its position as a pillar of stability and hope for the Spanish people. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. The Spanish monarchy. Thanks for watching till the end.